Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my video. Today, I want to talk about the physics of surfing. Well, you may know if you're a surfer, you will go into the ocean, like the beach, to surf, right? So, what's popular and why we talk about the physics of surfing? Because of the movement, in between of the movement of the waves, it could make a big changes. Then you will surf more easily, but it depends on every oceans, like every beaches. Usually in Australia or California have the best beaches of all. And recently I've read a lot of news and watching a lot of videos. So technically I've been really know for sure. But have you guys ever thought of when surfing? I've never been surfing and like I've never been surfing before. So it would be very hard for me. But it also depends on the surfer. The surfer have to, balance like a board, like the big board. But actually, the board is very smooth and very light. So it will make the waves to go, like when you're surfing, the wave will be more easier. And when you surf, it will be much more smoother. And it will also depend on the surfer because, like I said, you have to balance it. Like you have to stand still. But not just stand still. You have when the wave was coming over, you have to do something. Like just stand still. No, you're gonna do an immediate job. So that is like you just set a board, then you see like there's a wave coming. You will surf at that, right? So unfortunately, I'll be depending on more. But let me guess. However, there are a lot of pieces, and actually, we have depends on resources. I've also been seeing a lot of surfers. Like when I came back to my hometown, I went to the beach and I saw a lot of boys, girls out surfing. But I wonder, how did they get surfing? Yes, it's called physics. The physics and the movement between the science and exercising. Like surfing is one of the sports. But have you ever wondered that why do people can get balanced easily in the surface of the water to surf all the way from there to there? So you may thought, have you ever wondered about physics? Physics is a problem like science. But have you cracked a mystery yet? Now let's find out this about surfing. So I'll tell you all about it. You have to balance and it depends on the surfer and the board. But what if the board are heavy? Like not much heavy, just like a little light and a little bit of heavy. It just about contains with the, but I don't know, it's like very like a board. It's like a piece of board for you to surf, but it also depends on the movement of the waves. Because I usually see like professional surfer, they went to the beach, but there are no waves. So it depends on the weather, the seasons, and their beach. So that's why I technique you and warned you about safety about during surfing. But playing surfing, it's very dangerous too, So the physics of it, they warned you about something. Maybe there's a really a tornado under the water, and it will swirl you up into the tornado of the water. So you should be careful. But I've never seen it before. But other people have been causing it, And so you see, like the physical science is the physics of surfing is all just about, it depends on the surfer. They balance their board and the weight of the board. Also, mostly contains a portable is the weather, the season, and the movement of the waves. So you need to keep an eye on. If you should keep an eye on first, then you should go surfing. If there are bad weather, don't go. It could get the tides, and the waves doesn't make any more. So it depends on that, right? To see after this video, try before and keep out on the weather, the movement of the waves, and just go have fun you are. Bye guys, see you next time, and I hope you guys have a really nice trip at the beach. Bye.